One day, Lambu Tingu were roaming aimlessly through the market when suddenly Lambu said to Tingu,
Oh dude, I have to take money from that beggar.
You'll ask money from a beggar?
Oh no, not like that. I did not have change. So I gave him 100 rupee note and he said come back later and take 50 rupees from me.
Is that so? Tell me, where is your beggar?
There where you see that crowd, he was sat there singing.
Tingu noticed that a rich person is singing in the middle of a market. He has several bouncers gathered around him. There's an expensive car parked next to them.
The guy who's singing, isn't that your beggar? Tell me, Lambu. No, that guy was a beggar. This guy is looking like a rich man. Wait a minute. By clothes he looks like rich, but by face he looks like a beggar. But his voice is the same. Oh yes, Tingu, he's the same beggar.
Lambu started to walk towards the singer while screaming at him.
Hey you beggar! Return my 50 rupees now!
The singer stops and responds.
Who is this guy who is calling me a beggar? Oh, it's me, Lambu! Oh, Lambu, I also can see that. But who are you? Other day, I had given you 100 rupees and you had promised me to return 50 rupees. Now, give me my 50 rupees. Not 50. Take 1,000, but get lost from here.
Saying that, he threw 1,000 rupees at Lambu and continued singing. Lambu takes the money and returns to Tingu.
I received the money, but the beggar just insulted me.
Smiling, Tingu responds to Lambu.
Lambu, these days your beggar is not seen around.
Really? What are you saying?
Yes, he has become a star overnight. One of his songs became so viral that he became a celebrity overnight.
What? Is this really possible?
Yes, Lambu, if we have a 1.5 GB net, everything is possible.
So, even we are not living on Wi-Fi? We have 3 months of net pack. What do I need to get famous? Only one night.
Lambu Tingu decided to become celebrities. They switched their mobile camera on and begin their performance.
I'll put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'll put my armor on, I'll show you that I am.
Lambu Tingu make videos all day every day, from singing to even cooking.
Friends, I am Lambu. You can see in front of me, I have 1,000 pani puris. And I will finish them all, that too in just 30 minutes.
In this way, they make a whole lot of videos. And what was fun became popular and viral very soon. Suddenly, they started minting money from it. Companies wanted to make ads and people wanted selfies with the two. Every person in town was talking of Lambu and Tingu.
Lambu, Tingu, Lambu, Tingu. See, Tingu, didn't I tell you that I will make it big one day? See, I have done that.
Not I. We will make it big. We are two of us. You are not alone. Without me, you are nothing.
Okay, it is both of us. We both are celebrities. Now we should remove all the old cheap friends. You get that? We must live in attitude.
Soon after becoming celebrities, their behaviors changed. Wherever they went, they were very rude to every person. One day, Lambu even smacked a fan.
Stay in your limits. Don't you know who we are? We are celebrities. Millions of fans are crazy about us. And you are arguing with us?
In this way, their fandom and popularity got to their heads. One day, Lambu and Tingu attend an event. There was a massive crowd gathered to see them. Everyone was screaming.
Lambu, Tingu, Lambu, Tingu.
Looking at the crowd, Lambu and Tingu were very happy.
Oh, Tingu, every day the crowd seems to be increasing.
Yes, it is just us everywhere.
when suddenly they heard a lot of sound of firing. Everyone gathered got very scared and started running around.
It seems we are under attack by terrorists. Run!
Lambu and Tingu were also very scared and they started screaming.
Bouncers! Where have the bouncers disappeared? Lambu Tingu, we are running for our lives. I suggest you to run.
How dare you call us by our names? We are celebrities.
What the heck, celebrity? Run or you'll get killed.
Saying that, the bouncer ran away himself. The firing got even louder. Lambu and Tingu were very frightened.
Oh, someone please at least spare a car for us. Why are you shouting? We are not your servants. It seems this attack is because of the two of you. It is a known fact that terrorists attack celebrities.
That made Lambu and Tingu extremely scared.
Lambu, run! Seems like the terrorists are here to kill us.
Lambu and Tingu started running around. They started pushing and shoving in the crowd when suddenly they fell down. The crowd started to stomp all over them. That made Lambu and Tingu feel very insulted. Soon after that, the army came to settle the matter.
We request you to be calm. This place is not under attack. You heard our gunfires. Just close by, we were having a mock drill. It is our responsibility to protect you in all cases of emergency. And we were practicing for the same.
That's when the crowd started screaming.
Hip hip hooray to the Indian Army! 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 Oh no! No one is paying attention to us now.
It's good no one is seeing us. If they see, they'll thrash us. Now the celebrity has changed. Move out quietly from here, or else we lose whatever dignity we have.
Oh yes, Tingu, let's go away from here.
Lambu and Tingu ran straight to their home and decided never to become celebrities again. After this, Lambu and Tingu swore that the celebrity life is too tough and they promised to never be that famous in life ever again. They would work very hard and decide to earn a living by creating something meaningful for themselves. And they would give up being famous overnight. Because what happens with being famous overnight is that it doesn't mean that you're on the right track. That is why Lambu and Tingu decided that they will forget the idea of becoming celebrities in their life or even think about living the life of a celebrity.